Hey Lego fans, welcome back. Today I've got a build for you. It is the Lego Porsche. This set is based on 77239. I create a mini Porsche or a Chibi Porsche or a tuned Porsche, however you want to call it. This video will show you that. It's a speed build. I'll come back towards the end with some thoughts. Appreciate you guys being here. Thanks. So there is my mini Porsche, clearing out the brick so you can see it better. I always like to create these mini or chibi size Porsches. Some call it Tooned Speed Champions. I've done it previously with this other white Porsche in the background. I like to create them just because they're fun. I think it's awesome that, you know, with Lego you can really do anything you'd like. Of course you can follow the instructions and build it as Lego builds it, but you can also build it how you want, right? So that's what I do with these. I've done it with a couple of the sets, with a couple of the Speed Champion sets. In particular, like this one, it's a nice, small, condensed, shortened build. I think it brings me back to, gosh, the 90s, 2000s when my friends and I used to draw cars like this and just like smaller versions of the cars. So I think this was pretty fun. You've seen in the video, which is obviously sped up. It was about, I don't know, 45 minute build. I did take some of the parts from the instructions, kind of piece them together, but ultimately, you know, put this together how I felt would be best for a mini size version. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you liked it. I might pick up another Porsche, this same set, 77239 again, just to build the regular sized Porsche per the instructions and have them side by side. And that'll do it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel, Brick Dynasty. We appreciate your guys' support. Helps us out a lot. And thanks for being here. Bye, guys.